Hey Suzuki, this is John, Biggs Harley Davidson here. Happy Thursday morning. Looks like you were inquiring about a beginner motorcycle. This is our 750 Harley Davidson street model. Great entry-level motorcycle, 750 cc's, liquid cooled. Got all the power you need for around town. Great little urban motorcycle. All blacked out, very easy upkeep on the motorcycle. And yet reasonably priced. You're looking at $10,288.71 plus tax. So if this interests you, please give me a call back. My cell phone number is 808-208-0420. Again, it's 808-278-0420. Thank you.